everyone, it's a vlog and आज का vlog बहुत ज़्यादा special है because it's my friend's engagement. Oh my god, I am so excited for this. And आज के इस vlog में I'm going to like vlog the whole thing, how I get ready and everything. तो इससे पहले कि मैं makeup and सब कुछ करूँ, I have also booked a cleanup session with Urban Company because I wanted something like cleanup in a mess-free environment yet very safe at the same time. That's why. And अभी it's 1 o'clock and I booked the slot for 2 o'clock. तो हमारे पास 1 घंटा है. By the time she'll arrive, I'll finalize my outfit. Let's do that. सिंस इंगेजमेंट है तो मैंने कुछ ऐसा सोचा कि बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ हैवी भी ना लगे येट बहुत लाइट भी ना लगे, साथ ही वी हैव टू कीप अ चेक ऑन द वेदर टू. तो मैंने ये डिसाइड किया है दिस गॉर्जियस शरारा. इट्स अ वाइट शरारा विथ रेड एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड इसके साथ मैं ब्लैक टर्टल नेक पहनूंगी विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ थिक फॉर द वेदर एज वेल. एंड द ज्वेलरी दैट आई एम गोइंग टू कैरी अलॉन्ग इज दिस रियली ब्यूटीफुल कुंदन चोकर. एंड अभी तक फाइनलाइज नहीं किया है क्योंकि इसका ईयरिंग भी बहुत सुंदर है, बट मैंने फाइनलाइज नहीं किया है कि वेदर आई वेयर दिस और both. And out of all of this thing, one thing which I'm going to add as a cake like cherry is this gorgeous white embroidered दुपट्टा. ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है एंड कभी भी मैं इसको लेती हूँ तो it looks really really good and आपके नॉर्मल से आउटफिट को एलिवेट करता है. So this is going to be my outfit. मेरी 2 बजे की बुकिंग थी and it's already 1:45. I had a word with her. She's about to come in 10-15 minutes. It's super fun and easy. I never knew technology will make all of these things so convenient. She is finally here and she is creating this space जहाँ पे हम आराम से clean up ले पाएंगे. And I'm really excited to get the glow for the wedding season. I really loved the way Urban Company Professional was so much prepared with everything, following all the protocols and safety at the same time. We are about to begin and this thing is so exciting. Urban Company's Law Services at home makes a lot of your things sorted, that too in the comfort of your home. That's so good. And Salon Spree is finally back so you can avail amazing discounts on the Urban Company app. And इस पूरे cleanup process में she did everything so gently. I loved the way she did it and that too very professionally at the same time. I loved and enjoyed the whole cleanup process. So I'm about to begin my makeup and मैंने जो आज का look सोचा है that is going to be really subtle, soft, थोड़ा pinkish type का. And my cleanup session was for like 45 minutes and I really loved it. And अभी ऐसा feel हो रहा है जैसे कि कोई preparation की ज़रूरत नहीं है इस makeup के लिए. My skin is feeling so soft and supple. Let's begin the makeup. हम लोग double moisturization करेंगे. Not double moisturization as such. We'll start with putting up this super light moisturizer, just a little bit. The next step that I'm going to do is to add purple 24K gold oil, my absolute thing. And ये ख़त्म होने वाला है तो dropper में ये तो आएगा नहीं. If you want your makeup to look glowy, this is going to be your definite pick. The next step that I'm going to do is concealing, a little. And we are going to use this SFR color palette. इसका एक कलर है जो बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे स्किन टोन को सूट करता है. That I'm going to use here. The next step that I'm going to go for is foundation, and for that I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Nude Base. बहुत ही अच्छा foundation for perfect glowing skin. And I'm going to take a piece out of it, yeah, just a little bit. And earlier I used to watch a lot of makeup tutorials to learn how to do makeup, but right now what I have kind of developed in these years ki makeup is not for all. Like if it is a makeup tutorial, it might not suit everyone, so it's makeup for you, not makeup for all. And कोई makeup routine या makeup tutorial किसी यूट्यूबर या किसी फेस पे अच्छा लगता है, बट नॉट फॉर ऑल. इट्स विद द टाइम दैट वी डेवलप कि आपके फेस पे क्या अच्छा लगता है. Next step is absolutely contouring, and for a lifted look I'm going to apply a contour right here. I am going to line my upper lash line a little bit with this Faces Canada kajal. बहुत ही अच्छा काजल है for a dark look. Also it has a smudger this side, so it's really convenient. अगला जो स्टेप है वो आई मेकअप है, एंड फॉर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू कम्प्लीटली रिलाई ऑन दिस लॉरियल ला पेटिट पैलेट. बहुत ही अच्छा पैलेट, एकदम छोटू सा है, बट इट इज़ लाइक अ कंप्लीट सोल्यूशन फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ योर आई लुक. एंड इसमें एक डार्क, इट इज़ लाइक पिंकिश, थोड़ा सा प्यारा सा कुछ सा शेड है पिंक कलर का, विच आई रियली रियली लव. तो आज मैं वही ट्राई करूँगी. Final step for the eye look is mascara. And we are left with the last 3 steps: blush, highlighting, lipstick. All of the main steps. तो जल्दी से कर लेते हैं. Blush, it's Revolution Pro palette. यहाँ पे एक peach color that I'm going to use today. And we are going to top up the lipstick with this gloss. It's Swiss Beauty gloss. By the way, the lipstick that I use is Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Touch of Spice. So that's pretty much about the vlog, and I feel I'm all set to bang on in the engagement. And yeah, if you enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up, and please comment down your video ideas, your suggestions and everything. Follow me on Instagram @_Alisha180_, and please subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta.